Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are all fine. Today, in my video, you can get different garden pathway ideas. Hope you guys explore different ideas for your garden to make it an amazing look. Hope you guys get different ideas for your garden. Please share your reviews at the comment section below and press the bell icon for the latest update. Mulch and the gravel are the cheapest pathway materials you can buy for rock walkways, and they make construction simple to making them two of our favorite walkway ideas. All you have to do is remove the sod, roll out landscape fabric, and spread the mulch for gravel. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. In my video, you can get different walkway materials to consider. First one is paver. The most popular material for front entries and pathways leading to the patios are concrete pavers. Second, flagstone. Beautiful, durable, and often landing. A more upscale look, natural flagstone is one of the most expensive path options. Third, stepping stone. Fourth, gravel. Fifth, cedar chip. Hope you guys enjoy my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Even though the upfront cost of pavers is higher, concrete paver offer greater value and durability than poured concrete and the stamped concrete. This ultimately means that concrete pavers are the most cost effective option overall. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. A gravel or rock path is a simple and the economical way to create a walkway that directs foot traffic across your yard and the protects your grass. You can't just throw a trail of gravel down though and call it a day. It takes a little bit of planning and preparation. Thank you.